Welcome back to Petverse, fellow explorers of the extraordinary inner worlds of our animal companions. I'm Petverse Voyager, and today we venture into one of the most tender and mysterious questions pet lovers often whisper while watching their furry friends sleep: do pets dream? Perhaps you've seen it, the gentle twitch of paws. A soft whimper, a tail flicking as if chasing something invisible. Maybe your cat's whiskers quiver, or your dog lets out a tiny bark while fast asleep. In those quiet moments, it feels as though they've traveled somewhere beyond the living room rug. But are they truly dreaming, or is it just random brain activity? Let's journey into the science, the emotion, and the wonder behind sleeping minds. To understand whether pets dream, we first need to understand sleep itself. In humans, sleep unfolds in cycles, including stages of light sleep, deep sleep, and rapid eye movement, or REM sleep. REM is the stage most associated with vivid dreaming. During REM, the brain becomes highly active, almost as active as when we are awake, while the body remains largely immobilized. Our eyes move rapidly beneath closed lids, and our minds generate stories, images, and sensations. For decades, scientists wondered whether animals experience similar patterns. The answer, supported by neurological research, is yes. Studies using electroencephalograms have shown that dogs and cats exhibit sleep cycles strikingly similar to those of humans. They enter REM sleep. Their brain waves shift in comparable ways. Their bodies display the same small muscle twitches linked to dream activity. This strongly suggests that pets do, in fact, dream. One landmark study conducted in the 20th century examined the brain activity of sleeping animals and discovered that when certain brain structures were gently inhibited, animals physically acted out dreamlike behaviors, pouncing, stalking, even defensive postures, while still asleep. This provided compelling evidence that the brain was simulating experiences internally. In simpler terms, their minds were running scenarios, much like ours do when we dream of flying, falling, or revisiting childhood memories. So what might pets dream about? While we can't ask them directly, neuroscience gives us clues. In humans, dreams often replay fragments of daily life, conversations, places, emotions. The same brain regions involved in memory and emotion light up during REM sleep. Because dogs and cats share similar neural structures, especially in areas responsible for memory consolidation, it's likely their dreams draw from lived experience. Your dog may be dreaming of chasing a ball, greeting you at the door, or exploring a familiar park. Your cat may be reliving a stealthy hunt of a toy mouse or the warmth of curling beside you. Their dreams are probably grounded not in fantasy landscapes, but in the sensory richness of their daily routines. Interestingly, size appears to influence dream frequency. Smaller animals, with faster metabolisms, tend to cycle through sleep stages more quickly. This means a small dog might dream more frequently but in shorter bursts, while a larger dog may have fewer but longer dream episodes. Puppies and kittens, whose brains are still developing, spend even more time in REM sleep than adults. This mirrors human infants, who dream extensively as their brains process new information and build neural connections. Dreaming, it seems, plays a vital role in learning and development across species. There is also an emotional dimension to consider. Dogs, in particular, have evolved alongside humans for thousands of years. Their brains are attuned to our faces, voices, and routines. Research has shown that dogs form deep attachments to their caregivers, with oxytocin, the bonding hormone, rising during positive interactions. If dreams reflect emotional significance, then it's not a stretch to imagine that you appear in your pet's dreams. The sound of your voice, the rhythm of your footsteps, the comfort of your presence, these may echo softly through their sleeping minds. It's a beautiful thought, that while you rest, your pet may be revisiting moments shared with you. Of course, not all dreams are joyful. Just as humans sometimes experience nightmares, Pets may also relive stressful events. A rescue dog with a difficult past might twitch or whimper during sleep. In such cases, it's generally best not to abruptly wake them unless necessary. Sudden awakening during REM can cause confusion or startle responses. Instead, offering a calm, reassuring presence once they stir naturally can help reinforce safety and comfort. Ultimately, the question of whether pets dream opens a deeper reflection on consciousness itself. Dreaming suggests a rich internal life, a mind capable of replaying memories, simulating experiences, and processing emotions. It reminds us that our companions are not merely reacting to the present moment, they carry impressions, histories, and perhaps even imagined adventures within them. When your dog's paws paddle gently in the air, or your cat's tail flicks in sleep, you are witnessing the quiet poetry of a brain at work, weaving the day's experiences into the tapestry of memory. Here on Petverse, we celebrate these unseen dimensions of animal life. The next time you notice your pet dreaming, pause for a moment. Instead of wondering whether it's just a reflex, consider the possibility that they are running through a sunlit field, stalking a fluttering butterfly, or simply reliving the warmth of your hand resting on their fur. I'm Petverse Voyager. And as we close today's exploration, I invite you to cherish not only the waking moments you share with your companions, but also the silent journeys they take when their eyes close and their breathing slows. In those gentle twitches and soft sighs, there may be entire worlds unfolding, worlds shaped by love, memory, and the extraordinary bond between species. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the hidden wonders of our animal friends.